In this video, I'll show you how to backup data on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any other Samsung device. Your phone stores a lot of important data, such as photos, videos, contacts, messages, and settings. If you ever lose your phone or switch to a new device, having a backup ensures that all your important data is safe. In this tutorial, I'll show you two different methods to back up and restore your data without using any third-party apps. Let's get started. First, open the app drawer on your Samsung device and tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Here you'll find several options to back up your data, including Samsung Cloud and Google Drive. Also, use Samsung Smart Switch for quickly transferring data. We've already created a video on how to transfer data from an old Samsung device to a new Samsung Galaxy S26 series device using Smart Switch. You can check that video using the link in the description or the I button above. Now let's look at the first method, backing up data using Samsung Cloud. Tap Backup Data under Samsung Cloud. Here you'll see a list of items you can back up automatically, such as contacts, messages, settings, home screen layout, calendar, and apps. Turn on or off the items you want to include in your backup. Once you've selected the data you want, tap Backup Now at the bottom of the screen. Your Samsung device will now start backing up the selected data to Samsung Cloud. Wait until the process reaches 100%. Once the backup is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Tap Done. If you ever switch to a new Samsung phone, you can use the Restore Data option in Samsung Cloud to bring all your data back to your device. Now let's look at the second method, backing up data using Google Drive. Go back to the Accounts and Backup page and tap Backup Data under Google Drive. Here you can choose to back up photos, videos, app data, contacts, and other information to your Google account. Select the items you want to back up and tap Confirm. Then tap Backup Now, and your device will begin backing up the data to Google Drive automatically. And that's it. These are the best methods to back up your data on a Samsung Galaxy S26 series device and keep your important information safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tutorials.